Hi friend, Marian here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. Yesterday, Sunday, we were at Green Hills. And sa Green Hills, nakita natin yung big bad wolf. It's sale books from all over the world. So they go in different countries. So alam ko, Teen and Canty in Dubai, na-meet nila yung big bad wolf na yan. So yesterday yan, natsyempohan natin. But yan, it's medyo costly or may mga sale item din naman. And if you compare sa regular bookstore, mas 50% yung price niya. So ito, this is what we have. Soul Discovery Journal. So your personal guide to understanding your energy, intuition, and the magical world. Ayan. So mga ano siya, prompts, meditation, questions that you can answer. So, hindi ba natin siya na-open? So, we can probably open it. Pero yung sample na buksan natin, before we bought it, there's a sample there. Binuksan muna natin. So, yung each category, meron siyang mga letters. So, this is 400 pesos. Letter L is 400 pesos. So, the higher the letter, the higher the price. Yan. Tune into your intuition, clairvoyance, clairvoyance, different clairvoyance, ways to inspire your intuition. So, yan siya. Oracle and Tarot cards. Caring for your cards. Card spreads. So, hindi natin alam kung iyan. Meron siyang mga reflection. Medyo hindi natin masyadong mabasa yung lights kasi is ano. So, yan. Marami siyang journal prompts. Magic and spell work. Candle magic. Thank you, Popsy, for buying this book for me. Until the next big bad wolf. So we bought a lot of books for Elle. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.